Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my next video. If you don't know me, I've been doing affiliate marketing and motivational stuff since 2012. I started my YouTube channel actually in 2016, so that's when the motivational stuff that I'll also do on this channel also started. And you can find all that stuff in the Drive With Me series playlist on my channel. You can find that there. But what I want to talk about is Exitus Elite and why I will never, most likely I will never ever go to another affiliate offer other than Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is by far the best opportunity I've ever been a part of, and I started back in 2012 in affiliate marketing. I was looking for ways to extra ways to make money online, and I found it. I wasn't looking for a full-time income. I was just looking for something on the side that I could do, and I found a really nice opportunity that got me started. Paid $20 commissions to PayPal, and it was a great opportunity. It got me started. I learned a lot from a lot of amazing people. Affiliate marketing to me has actually changed my life in a lot of ways. Have I always been a success? No, I've had some failures. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm never going to lie to you guys ever. But no, I've had some failures, and I believe it's my job to make sure you guys don't go into the same mistakes that I do. So that's why I'm going to always tell you guys the truth, even if it's something that you don't want to hear, because I want you guys to succeed. I really do. And I want you guys to be set up for success. So Exitus Elite is definitely by far the best affiliate offer that I have ever done. And the reason why is because it's been running for 8 years now. It's still getting updated to this day. We have some, I'm really excited to see what Paul Stevenson, the owner, is going to be talking about, I think, next week. He's going to be, I think we're going to have a webinar where he's going to be talking about some big changes to Exitus Elite that's actually going to make it even better opportunity, which I'm really amazed, because it's already an amazing opportunity. And I absolutely love this business. I love my online business, and I truly care about everyone who joins. Now, I can't make you succeed. That's going to be completely up to you, depending on how much work you put in and what you do. Now, but if you take daily action, if you keep putting content out there, and you just keep, because I've been putting out a lot of videos, and you could say, oh, I should be having many commissions. I got my first sale last week. That was my first sale, but that's my qualifying sale. So I didn't get that commission. That gets passed up to my sponsor. But now I'm qualified to make $1,000 commissions. So the reason why I picked Exitus Elite was because, let's say I only get 2 commissions this month. And let's say, just for the sake of argument, it's 2 G1000 commissions. That's $2,000 I made this month. And I'm already self-employed. I do a lot of different things, offline and online, mostly offline, but I do my own schedule. So if I got $2,000 commissions, I got $2,000 this month, I could work very little this month, really, to tell you the truth. But the thing is that's what I chose Exitus Elite. I wanted a platform where I didn't have to bring in hundreds of people in order to make some really life-changing income. Now, Exitus Elite has the G100, the G2000, I'm sorry, the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. So and that means you can make 100, 250, 500, and $1,000 and $2,000 commissions, and they're all instant commissions. So the day you make the sale is the day you get paid your commission, and you can choose any payment processor you want to use, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, all of that, whatever it is so you want to use. So Exitus Elite is definitely a high quality opportunity. We're going to have some major updates coming to the system, and to quote the words, I'm paraphrasing really, but in Paul Stevenson, the owner's last Facebook message, he said, I know all of you promote other businesses, but I believe that Exitus Elite, with these new updates coming up, are going to make it so it's the only opportunity that you'll ever need for your online business. So I'm really curious what that means. And this guy, I've been in other opportunities where we've had very bad owners of their companies. They make stupid decisions and then run the business into the ground. But not with Paul Stevenson. He puts the company first always, and us members. So if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, I have over 30 videos on my YouTube channel right now, all about it. And I'm just going to keep on putting out content. I know it sounds repetitive, a lot of the stuff I'm talking about, but the thing is, it's true. I wouldn't be putting all this time and energy in making all these videos if I didn't believe in Exitus Elite. So if you like the video, please like the video, and also comment below if you have any questions, and hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And also, if you want to contact me, all my contact information is in the description below. So if you are thinking about joining Exitus Elite, let me know. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.